Hey guys, it's Cindy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Today's video is going to be all about a workout that you should be doing every single day in 2025. In this video, I only incorporated a few exercises, but these ones really make your core burn. They're amazing, and the workout itself is only around 6 minutes. In addition to this workout, you just need to make sure that you are eating in a calorie deficit. Basically, it's just cutting calories, not by a lot though, because that could actually slow down your metabolism, but usually it's just eating around 500 calories less than what you are supposed to be eating for your age, weight, etc. That is so important if you want to see results. In addition to this workout and eating in a calorie deficit, I highly recommend that you get in as much cardio as possible. So that just includes, doing jumping jacks, going for walks, going for jogs, and basically anything of that sort. Now for this workout, I used very light weights. If you have something equivalent, please use that. It can literally be just like a heavy textbook. If you're doing it from home or even at the gym, you can do it both places, it doesn't matter. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me below. But other than that, let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe, like, and comment any other kind of video you want to see me film. I will be posting a video in January. I have an idea and I'm really excited to film it. It's a little bit different than a traditional workout. It's kind of like a challenge. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I think it's going to help a lot of people, including myself, so I'm excited to put it out there. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching and have a great day.